Today is what the rhubarb looks like. Here's what the strawberries look like. These are zinnias starting out. Here's my dill and all the new dill coming up. Here's my chives. They're all coming up. Here's the celery. Here's the rhubarb. Here's the basil. Here's basil. Ain't them strawberries looking pretty? Look at all the baby runners they got. Pepper plants. They're finally coming up. Parsley. The oregano. We've had that growing for 2 years. Zucchini. Mustard greens. Thyme. Mustard greens in this growing bag. Strawberry bed. Now, if you want to save your strawberries for birds or insects get them, you'll have to pick them when they're a little bit red. Lay them out, lay them out in the sun to get ripe. Because if you don't, something to eat on them, or the birds come and get them, or something. Here's the radishes, carrots, and the onion bed. Ain't it pretty? I done picked 4 onions today. Here's the peas growing up on the fence. The flower bed. If you remember, last year we had our tomatoes there. Now it's become a tulip bed and these flower bed. We got our cabbages planted. Finally. Look at these beautiful roses. Sorry about the dogs. Some man down there's got 50 dang dogs in one yard. We got some tomatoes planted already, and they're already blooming. They got little yellow flowers on them, so it won't be long before we start getting tomatoes. Even in this little pot right here, they're blooming. Ronnie's been doing the digging to plant them. The mattock, and he did it with the cabbage too, and it's starting to rain. That's why it took us so long to get our garden put out this year, is because of the rain. All it wants to do is rain, rain, rain. And this bed is our lettuce bed. We still ain't got our fig tree planted. Got some marigolds planted right through here. Thanks for watching. This is a little bit of garden update. That's all that we've got done so far. Thanks for watching. Bye.